Top 100, let's say top 20. I'm not top 100, top 20. So if I was playing on a corner on Madden, he plays how I would play.
Marcus Peters comes up with gigantic plays.
He takes chances.
He's a ball hawk. Let's just, give him that credit. He's always around the ball.
The pass will be intercepted, Marcus Peters.
Intercepted, Marcus Peters once again. 2-2, you got 2 by yourself.
This season, Marcus Peters will rock out in Tinseltown as a Ram. In 2017, as a Chief, he tied for 3rd in the NFL with 5 interceptions in the regular season.
He made a great pick when we played him. We played him in the playoffs. He was covering the post and came off on the 7 route. He was throwing to Delaney, and he picked it off. It was pretty nice.
Throwing for the end zone again, and it's intercepted on the far side. Peters reads the play and gets the interception.
At our position, anybody that's getting the ball that much, obviously got some type of funk with him.
He's jumping routes. He's reading the quarterback eyes. I don't know how he does it, but he does a great job at it.
You've got to work away from Marcus Peters. He is a risk taker. He will jump routes.
I can remember vividly, man, just him always having a knack, just trying to get the ball out. Even when guys were running the ball, he was trying to strip the ball.
The ball's ripped up, picked up by Peters. Touchdown!
Reminds me of, what's it, Peanut Tillman.
Charles Tillman officially with 3 forced fumbles today.
It's just him being a playmaker, just always trying to be around the ball. That's amazing to me.
Don't nobody say nothing to 22.
Opponents may avoid talking to Peters, but there's little chance that they won't hear him. And hear him. And hear him.
How many times is 22 gonna do something before you call him for taunting?
It's his opinion. He feel like his opinion count more than anybody else's. He gonna say what he need to say. He gonna do what he need to do.
Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy? I'm your daddy.
Marcus gonna talk the talk, but he walk the walk though. So, he back it up.